do the photo.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. We are so glad you're here. Today we have another Fun Food Friday. And we are in the corner of our kitchen because we are redoing our cabinet, so bear with us. Today we are making a 4-ingredient Disneyland Dole Whip. We hope you love it. And come along with us so you can get the recipe. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's do this. All right, here is our final Dole Whip, and we're going in for a taste test.
How did that even get in my mouth?
All right, this was so good. It tastes exactly like Disneyland Dole Whip. You need to try it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.